Welcome to the Flavor Breakdown, the place where food science gets explained simply. Bread goes stale faster in the fridge, even though it's colder. What's sabotaging your loaf? Today we're breaking down the science of staling, how starch molecules inside bread change over time, why refrigeration speeds that process up, and what keeps bread soft and fresh the longest. You've probably noticed this. Leave bread on the counter, and it slowly dries out. Put it in the fridge, and it turns firm, dry, and crumbly faster. It feels like the fridge should preserve freshness, but with bread, the opposite happens. That's because stalling isn't just about moisture leaving the bread, it's about the structure inside the bread changing. Bread is full of gelatinized starch molecules that absorb water and swell during baking. As bread cools, those starches slowly reorganize and crystallize again. This process is called retrogradation, and it makes bread firm and stale. Refrigerator temperatures, around 2 to 4 degrees Celsius, are the perfect range for starch retrogradation. The cold speeds up the crystallization, pushing water out of the starch molecules and into the surrounding bread structure. That's why refrigerated bread feels dry, even though the moisture is technically still inside. Freezing, on the other hand, stops retrogradation almost completely, and room temperature slows it down. But the fridge accelerates it more than any other environment. For the softest bread, keep it at room temperature for short-term storage or freeze it for long-term storage. To revive stale bread, heat it briefly. Warming temporarily reverses starch retrogradation, softening the crumb, but only until it cools again. Like and subscribe for more food explained simply on The Flavor Breakdown.